Hello everyone, happy to be back with a new technical analysis that you can miss out. And today I'm going to share with you. You have to pay close attention to this. Trend lines to the downside, Fibonacci levels, CPR indicator, and Bitcoin formation arc. Wow! So many indicators is telling us where Bitcoin price is going in the short term. Is Bitcoin finally closer to finding its bottom, or there is a one last final flush out for Bitcoin? Is it possible that it won't be until the price reach? Stay until the end of the video to find out. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, thank you for joining me back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now so you don't miss any when I upload new technical analysis. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to help YouTube algorithm reach people like you who are interested. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Let's looking back when price reached the previous all-time highs on April the 14th, 2021 and the all-time highs on November 10, 2021. And the sell pressure from the likes of Luna Foundation Guard has now dumped 2.4 billions from its Bitcoin reserve in failed attempt to defend Terra USD peg. From the likes of Celsius Networks hire advisors ahead of potential bankruptcy report. BlockFi investors could get wiped out. 3 Arrow Capital, Bitcoin crypto falls amid report of 3 Arrow Capital court order liquidation. Check this out and pay attention. Bitcoin fell $35,700 from the previous all-time highs in April 2021 with a 55% drop. The second time fell $35,800 from the all-time highs in November the same year with 52% drop. If you notice, if you take $48,240 level, you will notice that when drop 17,600 early last month in June, only dropped $30,500, which would be $5,000 difference from the previous two. But here is the interesting thing. I'm gonna explain this in a minute, but you need to pay attention in this as well. If you clone this drop here, let me do it again right here. If you clone this drop and you transfer here, is the same line that I have over here and match with my level that everybody is talking about that Bitcoin should test. So this is one. The second one would be this. If you clone the second, this drop right here, and you transfer over here, it's exact the same line that I have over here, and this is where all people is saying that Bitcoin could drop below $10,000, and it's right here. The reason why is the level that everybody is paying attention. If you notice, let's take a look right here just to make it sure. Right here, guess where? It's gonna test this area. So that is the reason people is saying that Bitcoin could reach below $10,000. But let's go back a little bit just to confirm the future drop that Bitcoin could do. If you notice, and we said that there is a difference of $5,000 if Bitcoin price drop. Let's see, hold on, right here. If the Bitcoin drop around $35,000, exact the same amount from here, guess what? Let's take a look where it's going to be. 33.7, 34.2, 34.5, 35.2, and 35.500. It's pretty much in the bottom of this box, green box that I have. So give me your thoughts. Which level do you think Bitcoin is gonna reach? Is this the Bitcoin price bottom, or would it be lower? Or give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Just for the record, if Bitcoin drops into my green box, here is the interesting thing to pay close attention. Price will drop 74%, which is an average for Bitcoin from previous drops. Price may have a rally to the uptrends before the countdown to the last and final flush out to reach the bottom. And this is the levels that you need to pay attention. If price come back to test the Terra Luna collapse levels, could be one of the levels that you need to pay attention, or the second one, which is this right here, the sell pressure area between $28,000 and $30,000, which would be also another level to pay attention. And if you notice, if price come back to this level, guess what? This drop will match with my green level, which is all my technical analysis is telling me that this is the possible bottom for Bitcoin. Please give me your comments down below and let me know if you are agree with this technical analysis. Now let's take a look at Fibonacci levels. As you notice, here is so many levels to pay attention, so much confluence in price. All these lines are Fibonacci levels to the uptrend and downtrend. And as you notice, right here is the Terra Luna collapse, and here I have two Fibonacci levels, 0.382, 0.3882. And I'm gonna do something very interesting to let you know where is the possibility that Bitcoin is going in the next couple months. Pay attention on this. I'm gonna do something very, very interesting that hopefully you are gonna like it. I'm gonna use here the bar patterns, and I'm gonna choose from the beginning of this channel. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go all the way here, right here, and this is where Bitcoin is going to drop in the next probably 6 months. If I add it right here, which is where the price is, it's gonna be something around here. This is the possible move that Bitcoin is going to do probably in the next few months. If you remember what I said before, that many people is saying that Bitcoin is gonna drop below $10,000, well, right here is one of the reasons that Bitcoin could reach below $10,000. And I'm gonna do this a little bit more clear. I'm gonna copy this line just to make you a little bit clear, and I'm going to go right here and I'm gonna paste this line right there, and I'm gonna do exactly the same thing, just to do it a little bit more clear with not too many Fibonacci levels. I'm gonna do the same thing right here, choosing the same level, and I'm gonna do the same thing right here, and I'm gonna do this and check this out. Pay attention. Right here is exactly the same thing that I show you right there, and this is the possible move for Bitcoin. And like I said, there is so many indicators that is telling us that Bitcoin could reach below $10,000, and right here is one of those. The CPR indicator is telling me that the possible first drop in the near future, in the next couple months, would be $14,000, and the final flush out would be around this level, below $10,000. So give me your thoughts about this, and if you agree, if you feel that Bitcoin is gonna drop to these levels, just give me your thoughts. And this is my technical analysis for today. I really hope that you like it, and if you still until the end of this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video for other people that are interested. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful night, and happy if you see this video before 4th of July. If you see this video after 4th of July, I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. Thank you, and have a wonderful night. If you're still here, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. If you follow my ideas in TradingView, you must remember this idea that I posted on April the 15th, where I mentioned that no pain, no gain, and the possible correction for Bitcoin. Let's take a look how it plays out until these days. Now you know that the possible correction is now occurred. Now let's take a look a little bit closer. If you remember what I said before, you must rely on this chart as well, just to confirm everything that I've been saying to you during this video. That I said the possible target would be 14,000, if you remember, and testing probably 13,000. Right here shows $13,880. And also I mentioned in some of my previous ideas that our only hope for Bitcoin to continue to the uptrend would be if we have a support right here above the 200 moving average, but now we are below the 200 moving average, and looks like I said before, right here it was the area that I mentioned that it was the possible correction for Bitcoin, and now you know that we are in a correction. So you're gonna have plenty of time to think about if you want to invest in Bitcoin or not. But right here could be probably the best entry you can have. If you're still here, thank you so much to stay with me until the end of the video. We made it together. Remember, smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people like you. Subscribe to my channel. I wish you a wonderful 4th of July if you watch this video after. Hope you had a great one. With this, see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night.